There is a general thought that women are extremely complicated and their behaviors are unpredictable. Many believe that there is no way of knowing what's going on in a woman's head. But turning on a woman is pretty easy if you use psychology. Well, here are the top 10 tips and tricks to turn her on and make her extremely attracted to you. 10. Women love men who are calm and confident. Chances are that you're more attractive than you give yourself credit for. Many people tend to underestimate their attractiveness. This is because we see ourselves differently than those around us. We tend to cross-examine and scrutinize every single inch of our body and pay a lot of attention to even the minute details. This often creates insecurities in many men. Have you ever felt that people smile when they see you? This could be because they find you attractive. Studies show that when someone smiles at a stranger, the chances are that they find you attractive. Another proven fact is that people compliment you less if you are attractive. Yes, it's true. You might think that not receiving compliments might mean that something's wrong with you, but the reality is quite the opposite. The reason why you might not be receiving compliments is that people think that you're aware of how attractive you are. They just don't want to feel your ego, so always be confident in your appearance and maintain your control in every situation. Women find this alluring. 9. Women don't like to be put on a pedestal. You indeed want to make a woman fall in love with you, but don't be desperate. Women can sense insecurity from a mile away. When you're insecure about your ability to seduce a woman and make her your own, you tend to put her on a pedestal. Women hate this. Some men compliment women all day long, and they think that this is the key to a woman's heart. Well, they couldn't be more wrong. This shows their insecurities, and most women don't like to be worshipped. Sure, they do love genuine compliments once in a while, but showering her with too much attention can lead to a disconnect. Women want you to treat them as an equal and not as a superior or inferior. 8. Women are attracted to men who smile wholeheartedly. Haven't you heard that a smile is a curve that sets everything straight? Well, it's also the curve that's going to get you your dream woman. No woman is immune to the charm of a smile that bares all teeth and crinkles your eyes. But make sure that your smile is genuine and that it comes from within. Women can identify if your smile is not authentic. Smiling helps you to connect with women, and this connection is essential for a woman to fall in love with you. 7. Women crave mystery. It's common knowledge that attraction is intense when a mystery is involved. Maintaining mystery is important when it comes to dating. Without having an element of mystery, there's no intrigue. When you're interested in someone, you're curious to know more about them. But if the factor of curiosity is not there, then what's left to be interested in? When you're wrapping yourself in an air of secrecy, women will find you more interesting, exciting, and attractive. This will ultimately draw her towards you. To really capture someone's attention all while being mysterious, you have to first make them interested in you. If you just sit in a dark corner alone, you would look mysterious, but the woman of your dreams might not be interested in you, so make eye contact or send a smile her way to capture her attention. This will make her curious about you. 6. Women love it when you communicate non-verbally. Communication is essential to be attractive to a woman, but more than 70% of communication happens non-verbally and only through physical cues. You can convey that you're attracted to a woman by your facial expressions, the way you keep your hands, and even the way you stand. Maintaining strong eye contact is one of the ways to do this. Even if you get everything right but can't look directly into her eyes, all your efforts are wasted. Maintaining good eye contact shows confidence, but make sure that you don't overdo it. That will make you creepy. Also, make sure to demonstrate great posture. Women love it when you stand up straight. This shows her that you're confident to face any challenges that you might face. 5. Women are attracted to emotional connection. Different women have different physical expectations from their men. Some are more attracted to muscles in men, and others might like dad bods. But one thing that all women want is an emotional connection. If that special connection is missing, she'll feel its absence. She'll then begin to pull away, whether mentally, physically, or spiritually. A woman will then go quiet and retreat. This is obviously not what you want. A woman wants to feel loved and adored. Every time she's near her man, she should be able to glow in his radiating love. Don't always be the macho man. Let your vulnerability shine through at times, and let your woman know that you're soft only for her. Also do things specially for her. Plan a date, make a dinner, or do the dishes. Let her know that you love and appreciate her. Most women carry a lot of load and feel the burden of doing it all. She most likely manages her home, work, kids, friends, and so much more. So let her know how thankful you are for her. Let her know how lucky you are to have her in your life. Women love it when you do this. 4. Learn about a woman's methods of seduction. Pay close attention to the way the woman you like interacts with you. It's universal knowledge that women are a bit more reserved than men when it comes to flirting. They try to do it very subtly. You'd have to be very attentive to catch her doing it, and most women don't open up about their desires because of the fear of being rejected, and that the guy will judge them for their feelings. Another reason is that women love the feeling of being chased. It makes them feel desired and adored. Some women might express their desires, but very vaguely. If you often notice that the woman casually and very lightly touches you, there's a chance that she's into you. A woman will normally only touch a man she's interested in. It's also an indication that she feels safe and comfortable around you. You will also notice that she will touch you at every chance she gets to build physical chemistry. She would also lean into you while she talks and might even laugh at every joke you make, even though the joke wasn't too funny. She might also tilt her head to reveal more of her neck and might subtly touch her body or fix her clothing while she speaks to you. Another clear-cut sign that a woman is interested in you is that she'll invite you to her place. This indicates that she's comfortable with you in her personal space. You'll also notice that she might be dressing up better. She'll wear a full face of makeup and choose a perfect outfit just for you. Always pay attention to these cues. If you don't recognize these and reciprocate, she might feel discouraged and feel like you're not attracted to her. 3. Women are attracted to men with a good sense of humor. Everyone loves a good laugh. Women always look for a man who has a good sense of humor and can tickle her funny bone. There are studies that show that when strangers meet, the more times a man tries to be funny and the more times a woman laughs at his joke, there's a greater likelihood for the woman to be interested in dating that man. Some men try to develop a sense of humor, but don't take yourself too seriously, especially in front of her. Show her that you can joke around and make her happy. 2. Women want to feel protected. Today, the world is a woman's oyster. Unlike the prehistoric days, women can do anything their hearts desire. She can work, be a stay-at-home mom, or even lead men. But despite everything, women feel the desire to be protected by their men. Men should ensure that their women feel comfortable and safe around them. Always make sure that you devote some time to her. It's easy to get swept up in work and other responsibilities, so be sure to give her enough attention. Women want this. Let her know that she can depend on you. When you make plans, stick by them. The more she can depend on you, the more she feels protected. 1. Women love a good listener. There's a reason why we have 2 ears and just a single mouth. Always listen more than you speak, especially with the woman you love. Active listening shows your partner that you care about what she says. This will definitely win her heart. When you're having a conversation with a woman, make sure to get rid of all conversations like your phone and TV and devote your attention only to her. Nod along and ask follow-up questions. Make her feel heard.